Good morning, everyone. So it's a beautiful Friday morning. Si Tito Rodel kasama namin mag-ride today. Kamusta naman yung ride, Tito?
Oh man,
grabe, parang first
talaga,
time ulit, no?
Nandyan si Coach Rian. If not for Coach Rian, I cannot do it.
Nandun ba siya? That guy? Bakit Tito Rodel? Ano po nagawa niyo today?
Well, ang tagal ko nag-ride sa Clark. Although yung aero bar na yan, it was installed about more than 2 months, but it's there, no?
Hindi mo ginagamit?
Hindi ko ginagamit because of the, yung lack of confidence. But now, just
grabe,
today,
kanina.
with you guys, especially si Coach Ian and Tom. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Coach. Ay, napakasarap ng feeling. Yung may natutuwan ka naman. No?
Parang looking at you, natatakot ka.
Yes.
Pero nandyan si Coach, nandyan si Tommy, and it's like ang ganda-ganda ng araw. Parang hindi nakakatakot mag-aero bar, no?
Oo, siguro sa kanya ako nag-umpisa, no? Yung I don't know, yung sa bike, no? Nag-ride ako ng motorcycle o big bikes, but riding a bicycle, it's really different. And fast forward, na-inlove ako sa cycling.
Oo nga, no?
That's why yung big bikes andun.
It's been about
more than a year, no?
So,
mini-maintain mo lagi na hindi ginagamit. So, dito, dahil malapit kami sa Clark, kaya papasalamat kay Coach yung guidance, no? Especially now, na kasabay ko sila, papakit ng pader. It's my first time. I've been riding in Clark for about more than a year. Just today, nakapag-ride akong papuntang pader. Bakit ng pader? All throughout Aquaplanet naka-aero bar.
Shock.
That's why, thank you, Coach.
Like looking at you at the back, grabe, manghang-manghaw kay Tito Rodel. Hindi ka naman Tito eh, kuya ka lang eh. Hindi halata sa age.
Yeah, I really owe this to Coach Rian, no?
Hindi talaga.
Yung motivation. Right from the start. So guys, sa inyo rin, no? Alam ko tayo nakita-kita, sana sa ibang level na rin kayo, kaya sana sama-sama pa rin tayo. Big community, no? Palawakin natin to kasi healthy to. So again, thank you, Coach. Sa inyo lahat, salamat. Salamat mga kaklasiko, salamat, namimiss ko kayo. Lahat kayo, grabe. Thank you very much. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Thank you, Ali.
And there's Tito Rodel, there's Tommy. I don't know where Coach is.
Tommy then.